We're going to be doing the unboxing and installation of the C920 Pro HD webcam. So here we go. So it just comes in a very random and a very simple pack. Doesn't have with the wires inside and a label showing menu showing how to go about the installation. It's actually very simple. Yeah, with this now we're done with the pack, I guess. We have the this all seems to be in Korean or Japanese or something. It's from Logitech. This is a camera, one of the best in terms of if you are just looking for a basic camera that you can use for anything streaming and all that. Is very good. It's affordable, just under $60. And despite how long it has been in the market, it's still one of the best for and budget friendly camera system. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to try to put this, and then I'll show you how to just install it on the laptop. So next I get my laptop. Here we have the device is very simple. We have, if you open this place, you can easily use it and connect it to the system. You see this place, you try to use it to level it out on where you want the system to hold, and as soon as you have that, you use this place to wedge it from the back of the system. So something like this. It works well for all kind of system, because you can adjust the width, so you can actually get even systems with wider range. So we're just gonna do this. You see what I love about it, you see how this whole place is made of glass. Very beautiful, very good design. Here side speakers, the speakers are there to also serve in case you want to have an alternate speaker source. The bad thing though is that the Logitech camera, when it comes to the speaker system, you might want to have a separate speaker rather than using the one on the camera, because it will not really give you all you want, but it still plays, it still serves either way. So here we just connect it to the system like this. Now I'm just gonna use I'm just gonna write out the website where you can log on to. So you simply go to www.logitech.com/support, and /C. Okay, I come here 920. You put that on the system and you are good.